Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about one of the most important features of HTML, hyperlinks, or simply we can call them links. Links are what connect one web page to another. Without hyperlinks, there would be no World Wide Web. Every website you visit uses links to help users navigate pages. By the end of this lesson, you will learn what hyperlinks are, how to create links to external websites, how to create links between your own web pages, how to open links in a new tab, how to create a placeholder links. So let's get started. So what are hyperlinks? Hyperlinks are connections between web pages. There are two main types of links. One is external links and second one is internal links. The external links points to web pages outside of your own website. For example, Google, MMD Web Talks, YouTube, etc. The internal links, these connect pages within your own website. For example, when you click on home, it navigates to blog, and when you for example, when you click on home, it goes to blog, and when you click on the blog, you get to contact, and when you click on about, you get services, and we'll learn about all these today. So when you click on this MMD web pages, it goes to another web page. So simply copy and as you can see, this lies below this ordered list. So we have to create an HTML link tag below this ordered list by using anchor tag. Here href means hypertext reference and a means anchor. The value inside href is the destination URL. The text between the opening and closing tag is what usually clicks. So copy that here and paste it here, and after that give a name DN web docs and save it. Go to our page. When you refresh it, you can see a clickable link. Clicking it opens a web page. That's how simply hyperlinks are. Now adding the link inside the paragraph. This part of the sentence is inside a paragraph. So we have to place it inside the paragraph. Just copy the text from the content. Now keep this inside the paragraph. So when you refresh the page, you can see it is inside the paragraph as our final web page, and it's look more natural. Now opening a link in a new tab. By default, clicking a link replaces the current web page. Sometimes that's not what we want. Instead, we like the website to open in a new browser tab. To do that, we add another attribute, that is target. Inside the href, we just use target and give blank. Blank means opening the link in a brand new tab. When the user click on this, the web page stays open while the new websites open separately, as you can see. Now just close this. Now creating another HTML page inside the VS Code. Now create a new file and just name it as like blog.html. As you can see, when I type HTML5, it gives the total code. So for the reference, we just type manually. Inside this, we have head, body. So inside head, we just add a title, blog. Inside the body, we take h1 tag, name it as also blog, and we give just the title rechain. Just give as content. Now just save the file. Now we have two pages like index.html and blog.html. Now just go back to the index.html. Inside here, create another anchor tag, blog.html, blog, and just save it. When we refresh the page, you can see instead of full website URL, we are only writing the file name. After refreshing, you can see the word blog. When we click it, the browser opens blog.html. Now we have created our first internal website navigation. Inside blog.html, we will create another link for coming back to the home. Just save it. As you can see, when we click on the blog, it also shows home. When we click on it, it comes back to our main website. Now users can easily move back and forth. This is exactly what the websites are built. So now let's create placeholder links. Sometimes we haven't created a page yet. Maybe we will build it later. Instead of leaving the link empty, we can use a placeholder. Here the hash symbol tells the browser it does not navigate anywhere, but the link still appears clickable, but they don't open another page. Developer often use placeholder links while building websites. So I'm just creating two more just for a reference. When I refresh the page, you can see These are clickable, but they won't open any other web pages. These are called placeholder links. So hyperlinks are one of the most important parts of HTML because they allow users to navigate across the web page and between pages in our own website. In the next lesson, we'll continue exploring more HTML elements and build our website further.